brand new floor mats. Let's get it in. So guys, we are going to be doing some cleaning. Pretty filthy, both inside and out. And we'll get back with you. We're going to be changing out these mats as well. It's pretty filthy. Alright guys, hold on. Alright, so time for a good wash. Pretty filthy. So we're going to clean her up and get back at you. And just like that, the new mats are in, fitting lovely. Really can't see the ones in the back. Not sure why they have mats for the rear, but that's it guys. Brand new mats, done. Time for a new air filter. That's what that is. And as opposed to K and M, we have D and M. All right. This is where your earbox is. Slip out the old one here. Pretty filthy. And we're gonna get the new one in. And this new one here from D&N is a lot thinner than the original, but it seemed like one of those forever filters as long as you oil and clean them. All right, stand by. It only goes in one way. so you can't mess this up unless you're trying. That's it, guys. Another mission accomplished. Oop. 3. DNN done. So guys, One Key Car Garage back at you. Today we're changing that rear marker bulb on the 2002 Lexus SC430. You cannot access this from the inside due to no pass-through. From the inside, all I was able to see was that vent there, which was right there. Had that not been there, I would have been able to probably kind of, you know, work my way through under here to get to that wiring in the housing. All right, so basically you just got to take the rear wheel off, remove the or peel back the fender lining, held in by about 3 or 4 10mm bolts or Phillips head screws. All right, so once that's completed, if your hands are small enough, you can probably sneak back there to pop that out of the housing itself. All right, in my case, had a little difficulty, you know, it was a tight fit right there. To get it out, I use that long needle nose pliers to kind of just twist and pull that from the housing. All right, and got the bulb in, but getting it back in was a chore. The bulb itself, actually, which is could be a 168 or equivalent, using a 194 in this, but the to get this back in was a chore, right? So the bulb fell into the housing. All right, so I was kind of stuck. So what I did, I realized this was just a pop back. I might have accidentally broke a tap there, but we'll work with that. You do not need to take the entire bumper off. I realized I could just, you know, snap that out of the housing right there, and it was a easier access from there. There's a screw that's actually holding this, because this actually fits in like that, right? And then it's held in by a screw on the other side. Just went back here, took the screw off to get the bulb out of the housing, and you know, it just a matter of just buttoning everything back up and putting it back together. All right, guys, One Key out. But this job will have you saying some choice words, if you get my drift. All right, One Key out. And guys, just like that, I was able to sneak that from the housing back there. And if you have one of these, that might be helpful if you have larger hands. All right, and it's just a matter of getting it back in and buttoning back up, and we are done. All right, guys, One Key out. So the vehicle came with this, and I had this on hand. We're going to swap that onto that. Stand by. And all we're doing is just spinning this to the left, get that off, out with the old and with the new, and I believe it matches perfectly. Nice match on this, guys. One more. That's it.